How to contact SafePal support. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a simple way to contact the SafePal support, then you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and find out how. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device like you normally do. And once you're inside this home page, after logging in, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on support. Inside the support page, you'll see a submit a request tab. Go ahead and select in what area you need help with from the drop-down at the top. Now, write down your email address on the next field. Once you are done, you'll need to enter your Ethereum address. It is an optional, you can also skip that, but if you want to write it, just go ahead and do it. Now on the next field, go ahead and select how you want help with the product. You can go ahead and report transaction errors, security settings, incorrect display, or bug report. Select any one area and then go ahead and answer why you've chosen that from the drop-down. Just make sure to enter your issue correctly and answer the questions. Now go ahead and answer some of the questions according to the help type you have selected. This differs according to the help product that you've chosen. And then once you are done, enter the subject for your request and in the description correctly. Type down your issue correctly and clearly as possible so that the support can help you faster. After you are done with it, you can also add some attachments or files if you've got one inside the attachments option, and finally click submit for submitting your request. SafePal support usually replies via email, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder just in case. So that's it. Contacting SafePal support is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.